In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Monday.com as of 2025. This journey will walk you through setting up and utilizing the time tracking feature efficiently for your projects, tasks, or clients. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, navigate over to the board where you'd like to start tracking time. This could be any board that reflects the projects or tasks you're handling, allowing you to keep a detailed log of your and your team's time. Now that you've got your board open, it's time to add the time tracking feature. Look towards the far right of your board and there you'll spot a small plus sign. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select More Columns. In the search bar, simply type Time Tracking and then click on Add to Board. What you'll notice now is a new column appearing in your board that looks like a stopwatch, ready to log time for each of your items. With the time tracking column now firmly in place, you're set to start tracking time. Find the specific task or item you want to track time for and click the play button in the time tracking column. As soon as you hit play, the timer starts rolling, keeping an accurate tab of the time you're investing into that particular task. When it's time for a break or you finish the task, click on Pause. You'll be glad to know that Monday.com will automatically save your time logs for future reference. For those interested in reviewing their time investments, Monday.com offers insightful time reports. Simply click on the time log and you'll be presented with a thorough breakdown of track sessions for each task. You can see the total time spent, individual logs that show the date, duration, and user, and even add manual entries if necessary. Lastly, let's make sure you're getting the most out of your time insights with dashboards. By creating a dashboard in Monday.com, you can add the time tracking widget. This powerful tool will give you visual representations of total hours spent per project, time spent by each team member, and a crucial breakdown of billable versus non-billable hours. This is essential for not only managing productivity, but also ensuring accurate client invoicing. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to harness the full potential of time tracking within Monday.com, leading to better management of your projects and time. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore all that Monday.com has to offer for your organizational needs.